Hello, we are Florian and Adrian, and this is Bob the Lamp. Bob the Lamp is made with TiKA sticks, a new modular building set that will revolutionize playing, learning, designing, and prototyping. Or so we're told by the community of makers that helped us create, test, and improve it over the last 2 years. Bob is just one of the many designs that you can build with TiKA. Start with the wooden base or the concrete flower pot, and build up, down, or sideways with sticks and flexible joints. The magnetic balls go TiKA when they join with the 3 types of sticks: simple, energy conducting, or LED fitted. Because it's a modular building kit, all elements are compatible, allowing you to express your imagination by combining our innovative set with your favorite plants and designs. Ready to play with lights and leaves? With TiKA kits, you can create an unlimited number of lamps and complex structures for your plants. TiKA's adaptable design fits any space: your living room, above your dining table, in your office, balcony, shop, or showroom. You can adjust your design at any time as your mood changes and your plants grow. Just make sure you have enough sticks and balls. TiKA are carefully crafted from solid beech wood, neodymium magnets, and stainless steel balls. The non-toxic water-based finish makes them stand the test of time and style. The 3 types of wooden bases are simple, just for building, with dimmable electricity for lamps, and a ceiling base for the hanging pot. Everybody can play and design with TiKA: your friends, your kids, your colleagues, even your grandma. Back our project and join a global innovation community drawn together by magnets, sticks, and a nerdy love for playful discovery and creation. Or just get TiKA to pimp your crib and unleash your inner designer. You'll have fun either way, we promise.